morning, boys and girls, and welcome to the easier activity for maths on Monday morning. Now, this week we are going to be focusing on money, and we are going to be using different ways to help us solve some money problems. Now, today you're going to need those tens and ones that you've been made over the last few weeks because we are going to be adding different amounts of money together, and the tens and ones are going to help us solve these sums. So, I'm going to start by writing 26p add 1p. Now, I'm going to start by looking at how many ones each of my numbers have. So if I look at 1p, I only have 1 because it's a one-digit number. So I'm going to just do one little one. Let's have a look at 26. How many ones does 26 has? Well done. How do we know it has 6 ones? Excellent. We know it has 6 ones because it's the last number of any number. The ones is always the last number. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So now I've done all my ones, I need to have a look and see if I've got any tens. How many tens have I got in 26? Well done. I've got 2 tens. Excellent work. Now, what do I add together first? Do I add my tens together or do I always add my ones? Great work. I always add my ones together first. So I'm going to start with the 6. Are you ready to help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 ones. So I'm going to put my 7 ones up here so I don't forget. I'm going to leave a little gap because I know I've got some tens as well. So let's look at 26. How many tens have I got in 26? I have 2 tens. Well done. Let's have a look at my 1p. Do I have any tens? No, I don't because it's a one-digit number. So let's add all the tens up I have. 1 10, 2 tens. Where do I need to put my 2 tens? Do I put it before the ones or after the ones? Well done. I put it before the ones because the tens always come before the ones. Now, because I'm working with money, I need to put my pence sign. And when we have money, we always have a pence sign if it's below £1. So if it was 50p, it would have a pence sign. 44p, you'd have a pence sign. We always do our pence sign with the letter P. So 26p add 1p equals 27p. Let's have a look at another one. Now, children, you can, if you don't want to use the tens and ones you've made, you can draw them out exactly how Miss McGrath's doing it as well if you want to. So I'm going to start looking at my numbers and I'm going to write them out again to help me. I'm going to put my equals sign at the end of my sum as well. So let's start by having a look at 24. I want to look at first how many ones 24 has. How many ones does it have? Well done. It has 4 ones. Let's draw my 4 little ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'm not going to look at the tens yet because I always want to make sure I do my ones first. So I'm going to have a look at 13 now. How many ones does 13 have? Well done. It has 3 ones. So I'm going to draw my 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So now after my ones, I need to look at my tens. How many tens does 24 have? Great work. It has 2 tens. I'm going to do 2 nice long sticks like that. And that tells me I've got 2 tens. And then I've got to have a look at 13. How many tens does 13 have? Well done. It has 1 10. So I'm going to do a 1 long stick as well. So what do I start by adding up? Do I add my tens up first or do I add my ones up? Well done. I add my ones up first. So let's have a go. Are you ready? I'm going to start with the ones in 24 and then I'm going to add my 3 ones to it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 ones altogether. So I'm going to leave a little gap, so I know I've got some 10s. I'm going to put my 7 ones there. What do I need to add up now? Well done. I need to add my 10s up. Let's have a go. 1 10, 2 10. Add 1 10 equals 3 10s. Well done. Where do I need to put that 3 10? Fantastic. I put it before the ones because 10's number always goes before the ones. Have I finished this sum yet? No, Miss McGrath, you haven't. What haven't I added, children? Well done. I haven't added my pence sign to the end of the number. But why do I need this pence sign? Why do I need it? Great work. I need it because we're dealing with money, because this week we are adding and taking away money. And when we have an amount below £1 with money, we always have a pence sign. Let's have a look at another really tricky one today, children. Because I think you're that fabulous at using 10s and 1s. I thought I'd challenge you. And this time we've got 3 numbers to add together. We've got 32p, add 14p, add 11p. Oh, are you ready? So I'm going to start by writing 32. Add 14. Add 11. Let's look at the ones of each number. How many ones does 32 have? Great work. It has 2 ones because it's the last number of the 2-digit number. So I'm going to put my 2 ones. How many ones does 14 have? Great work. It has 4 ones because it's the last number of the 2-digit number. And then how many ones does 11 have? Well done. It has 1 1. Now, let's go back to 32 because I haven't finished my number because I haven't done the 10s. And we know it's got 10s because it's a 2-digit number. How many 10s does 32 have? Well done. It has 3 10s. So I'm going to draw 3 sticks of 10. How many sticks of 10 does 14 need? Well done. It needs 1 stick of 10. And how many 10s does 11 need? Well done. It needs 1 10 because it's only got 1 10. Now I found all the 10s and 1s for each of my number. I need to add them all up. So, what do I add up first? Do I add up my 1s or do I add up my 10s? Well done. I add up my 1s first. So I'm going to start with 32 and I'm going to cross off all of the 1s first. Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. I have 7 1s. So remember, you're going to leave a little gap because you know you've definitely got some 10s. So I'm going to put my 7 1s here. Now, have I finished this sum? No, you haven't, Miss McGrath, because I haven't added my 10s up. It looks like I've got lots of 10s to add up. Shall we do it together? Ready? 1 10, 2 10, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s. Oh, that was a lot of 10s. Where do I put my 5 10s? Well done. I put it before the 7. And then I need to add my P sign. So what number is my answer? Well done. It's 57 because 5 10s means 50 and we had 7 1s and that gives us 7. So altogether we have 57p. 32p, add 14p, add 11p equals 57p. Great work, children. Well done. Now today, again, by either using the 10s and 1s you have or by drawing them like Miss McGrath did, you can choose a level to have a go at. You might have a go at spicy, you might have a go at mild, or you might have a go at hot. Or you might challenge yourself and have a go at some mild and some hot, spicy and some hot. It's entirely up to you. But what I really want to see is you writing the sum out and then making sure you're using the tens and ones or drawing them. Well done, Year 2. Have a great day. Keep sending us the fantastic work you're doing, as me, Miss Ford and Miss Billet really love seeing it. Bye.